Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about implicit function. This topic is under Calculus 1. This math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here, the function is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y is equal to 0. So we need to find dy over dx. This is the unknown. Okay? So differentiate x squared, that will be 2x dx over dx. Then minus, since this is product rule, so I need to put 2 outside of these two functions. So copy the first because this is product rule, then differentiate the second. So this will be x dy dx. Then plus, copy the second, then differentiate the first. So this will be dx over dx. Then plus y squared, this will be 2y dy dx. Then minus 6 dx over dx. Then plus 2 dy over dx. This will be equal to 0. Then simplify, this will be 2x dx over dx, that will be 1. Then minus, you need to distribute, so this will be minus 2x dy over dx. Then this one, minus 2y, take note dx over dx, that will be 1. Then plus, copy this one, 2y dy over dx, minus 6 dx over dx, that will be 1. Then plus 2 dy over dx is equal to 0. So this will be 2x minus 2x dy over dx minus this one, 2y, then plus 2y dy over dx, then minus 6 plus 2 dy over dx is equal to 0. Okay? Collect all having dy dx. So this will be minus 2x dy dx. Then this will be plus 2y dy over dx. Then plus 2 dy over dx. Okay? And this will be equal. Okay? So those terms don't have dy dx should be at the right side. So first thing is 0. This one transpose, this will be minus 2x. Then this one transpose to the right, that will change the sign, plus 2y. What else? Negative 6 transpose to the right side, this will be plus 6. Okay? So I need to erase this one because I have limited space on my whiteboard. Sorry for the inconvenience. So factor out dy dx. So this will be dy over dx. And then I need to put circle brackets. This will be minus 2x. Then this one plus 2y. Then plus 2 is equal to 0. This will be minus 2x plus 2y plus 6. Then need to divide negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. Both sides. Sorry, this will be equal. Negative 2x plus 2y plus 2. Close. So this will be crossed out. So I can solve now dy dx. So dy over dx. Okay? So this will be, need to factor the negative sign because the first term is having negative sign. So I need to factor the negative sign. So this will be positive 2x. This will change to negative 2y. Oh, by the way, there is common factor. Sorry. There is common factor between 2, 2, and 6. So it need to, this one will be negative 2. then this will be x. This one will be negative y, and then this will be negative 3. Okay. Then over, same, I have common 2, then I need to factor out the negative sign. So this will be negative 2, then this will be x. Since negative outside of the circle brackets, the sign must be changed. So this is negative, change to positive. This one also negative, this will be y. And then minus 1. So negative 2 will be crossed out. So the final answer, dy over dx, is equal to x minus y minus 3, x minus y minus 1. So this is my final answer, and that's all.